Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to turn depth of field on or off in DragonSword Awakening. Let's begin by opening Settings. In Settings, navigate to Graphics and scroll down. Look for depth of field. Here you can toggle it on or off. What does it mean? Depth of field means that, like in a real camera, the focus target is rendered sharp while the surroundings appear blurred. Simply, the focus of where you are looking at will be sharpened while the background will be blurred. Once you are done here, simply press the X button. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.